Hello guys, it's your girl Promise World. I don't come again. Now good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever now they watch me from. If you never subscribe to this channel, I beg you to subscribe, on a notification bell. Anything when I upload now, now be the first people first see. If now just they pass by and see jam my channel, I try to subscribe. Thank you. So I can't talk many things today. These videos, when me even see the videos, I nearly won't cry. I nearly won't cry. I nearly won't cry for this video when I see. Cause this lady now, so he go Cross River State General Hospital. He come me say rain. They fall inside the hospital where they for the born children. Labor room for that matter, where mothers and children picking they stay. Now rain they fall inside the hospital. Rain. This thing I see, my lady won't cry. Imagine rain for inside hospital. Get it for the bone. Okay, what the woman? One woman won't come born now. That day na rain come for. How they want to do? How they want to born? Before you know they will say they don't die. They make they do an operation. The woman don't die, or the woman the pikin they don't go because of this bad hospital. Why the government they don't even care about these things? They don't even care. They'll go hospital. They won't born. If their wife won't born, they'll go America. But they know the things say these things, so they need them for their country. I don't know whether they not get conscience. So they know that this hospital, so this kind of hospital when they for this America, when they France, when they need them for their. But don't they think? Don't see carry the money go on that country go. Oh, gee, go they do. They not. I mean, they don't say president, UK president don't call Nigeria one country to say how we want for possible. They don't they think say these things when they run they go abroad for they need them for the country. You might see hot. Mona watch the video. Mona see what I talk about. It's painful.
Good evening, Perseveria, and good evening to the Governor of Cross River State, Professor Ben Ayade. Good evening, our Honorable Commissioner for Health. I want to thank every one of you today and to also bring to your notice what is happening here at the General Hospital. As a matter of fact, I am here live, and as you can see, I'm going to take you through what is going on right now in the postnatal ward. This is a ward where children are just being born and kept in here. This is a ward where mothers who went through cesarean section are being kept. Right now, there is nowhere for them to stay. They are all displaced. Follow me, come and see what the damages the rain has caused to the postnatal ward. Please just come and see. Look at this also. Look at everywhere. There is water everywhere. And I'm asking the commissioner to please come to the aid of these women. I am so heartbroken right now. My heart is bleeding because I couldn't imagine that mothers will be suffering in an atmosphere and an environment like this where they're supposed to be protected. I can't even imagine that. Look at mothers. Look at all this.
Una see what they talk about. No to make una the kind of they call Nigeria. Na really so if you really can zubla we animal they stay. Even oyibo animal no fit they not fit treat them for this kind of hospital. Oyibo animal. Where for the treat dog. If you see where for the treat dog, not be cattle. Where for the treat animal. They no fit oyibo no fit treat animal for this kind of place. Even that zoo animal they when una the kind of they call Nigeria, e no fit am because animal oyibo animal they no dey treat them for this kind of hospital. Forest in Nigeria be forest. Dirty. See hospital. This na see hospital. Na see hospital. Abo me I show na again. Na see hospital. You never dey treat human being na be this one. When human be for the born. New baby go dey come for belle. You go first in Nigeria, so we will run go back. Those the next kind country I won't come. So the woman go push. Pikin no gree come out because he where he won't come. The pikin no want am. You go back again, you go push, you go back, you go push. More than go ask some mothers now. When they push, if they bring their some children will bring their come outside, they go look Nigeria, they will go back to belle, so they don't want to come outside. Some children will pass the 9 months for belle because they don't want to come out for the Nigeria. They will just born pikin will just come experience suffer. If pikin go even see the hospital where they for born, then get the cement. Pikin will fit persist cement if come outside for belle. Imagine this kind of hospital. How pikin no go run? Go inside belle, say no one come out. This Nigeria, we need to make them shame for this their nonsense thing when they go abroad. This one go dey born, you just get money small, they will go abroad, go born. Their own, they don't dey think about the motor repair their house, school no dey, hospital no dey, road no dey, food no dey, nothing. No nothing they use money for, they fight rubbish fight. They think that they want to repair Nigeria, do hospital, build good school, build hospital, good road. They pay their citizens. They use money, they bribe, they fight when wetin no make because of ego and pride. Na their men, the Nigerian men still get for Europe na ego, pride. Na me be the head, I no go come down for you. Na me be the head. Wetin I talk na be final. Na they kill Nigeria, they go so. The men come carry am come from Nigeria, carry enter Europe. Na me be the head. Na wetin I talk na final. Don't know say life no be like that o. Life no be like that. So now what I see my account of this matter be this one. If I think otherwise, I'm gonna leave in a comment for the comment section. Nigeria no good, Nigeria no good, Nigeria no good. See all those two girls now they fool themselves. What is they fight for now? They go be boyfriend now. Oh, age mates. Or they drag money. Just carry the fight for shopping mall. No be disgrace. See the two girls, Mona watch the video. Mona leave in a comment for the comment video. Because this kind of matters are not just fit talk put. Mona don't look at whether they fool themselves. They follow your fellow woman, they fight. Mona no want to plan, no want to make money, no want to better, no want to do better something. Now they fight for front of shopping mall, everybody they look now. And I will see get boyfriend now. Now those kind of people get now their boyfriend they would they like, but now mad because they will say they get character. So Mona lose the video, Mona leave the comment, Mona comment for the comment section. I just see them come from Mona see them. See where they food themselves.
Seba super mi o je tún máa sanwó bí báyìí. Súnmọ́ wọn jà. Fọyẹ. Ye.
This one so na actress Ikechi Blessing. Excuse me. It's, I'm just a young woman who did not give up on love. Why are you trying so hard to make me cry? But for these girls, I don't know why some people, if you just see you there for a good relationship, they won't just spoil them. They just see any small thing when you do for their front, or when you tell them when they know about you. You don't just because they're jealous of you. They won't spoil and tell the boy. Yeah, and some boy not see girls in, they not go tell you. This guy now come out now. Anyway, Mona watch the video before I can talk with.
The more you try to break me, I mean, the more you try to open several fake page to say demeaning things about me to my husband, the more he loves me. He's not like my ex that kept everything to himself and did not bother telling me any of it. Yes, this one, immediately you're sending to him, is forwarding to me. That means he doesn't care. That means he loved me with the dangbana shoko. You don't understand? That's what he loves. So you don't know what he loves. You don't know what he sees in me that made him love me, right? That's why you're confused. That's why you're trying to separate us. That's why you're trying to make him see me like a big. Guess what? He loves this bad bitch, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Now see the video. Now here see what the girl they talk. Say they won't try to spoil. They say they go the same message they give a boyfriend. The boyfriend when you get so the boyfriend now will come forward and go say you see because this new boyfriend will not be like the ex-boyfriend when he don't forget. Maybe say if they keep everything for mind for her. He person tell her so instead of to tell her. He will keep on for men. And that kind of men. Now wizard they call them wizard. They gather something for men, they wait for you. Now wizard they be wizard. Now they call them. They be devil. If you hear something about your woman for house, I come ask am for house. You do am or not? If the woman say no, shikina. If you say yes, you still forgive am, na so e be. Na be love. Love, if you and a person don dey friend, you need to dey that one the one you fit tell am, you tell, when no fit tell am, the one you still hear for answer when no fit tell am, you come ask me, you still tell am say yes, you go still forgive you, and so you go still some say they forgive you, but they go keep am for mind. Na wizard the other one, wizard men, your boys they be wizards, some men they be wizards. If they hear me for answer, they no go tell you. So we even see here and they will come ask you, so till you do and you go tell and say yes. They will beg, they'll say they forgive you, but they'll keep them for mind. They not go forgive. And that kind of men, they know they grow away. So they go down. If you know fit me say you forgive woman don't you from I follow you. You they carry grows against them. I want to speak for English. Crosses. Anyone wanna know. Wanna arrange them on herself. Imagine. They won't spoil the relationship when your new girls, because she said no fit give up on love like me. I know if give up on love. That not me say my third boyfriend disappoint me, the other one disappoint me. See me and say I no will love. I will still love myself, love anybody when they come my way. If don't want no head, no see go, still go. Now say be life goes on. Everybody go move on. Life goes on. If you go bye, another person go. If another person go head, no see good. You go God will give me the right one. Maybe now may not just talk too much. So now don't watch the video now. Hear where the girl for the talk. And those are when I see the video, when I see they watch them again. When I see what the girl talk, they want spoil a beautiful relationship for her. And this one when you go down, they know they have something for her. They tell her. See what your friends do. Now if they call man, all this kind of man, all this one they call man, captable man, thinking about man, all these kind of people so. Don't be wizard they call themselves man, whether they never reach man. What my maid do, they won't do one. They never reach man. They phone say they don't reach man because they don't born only 1 pikin, 2 pikin, 3 pikin. You say they don't reach man. Because they never reach man. I beg you, when it's one waiting not think about this matter, I'm gonna leave them on the comment section. But now crocodile they do anything I think now we'll talk about. Now promise word. We are sharing here, we share our mind. Because my mind that they talk so. You know, get carry me go anyway. You know, if you carry me go, guys, cover myself with the precious blood of Jesus Christ. Because if I drink water, if you think if it against me, will return to you if I drink water and salt. And so it be shikina. So I'm gonna leave and comment for the comment section. So he said principal already beat corps member over request for a rejection letter in Ogun State. The woman say not like the school now. Maybe the school dirty now. Not everybody's a big stay inside dirty now. Maybe the girl read the school now, the roof open, rain they fall, everywhere they smell. Now he say, now he go ask for rejection letter. So now the marks out they abuse and they beat and all the teacher all the stand they look am. They say no want now for no reject am now already reject. They say the girl no want to we don't reject am or the girl they'll put am for another place. So no be one na Congo they beat am. More na watch video, more na hear where the girl for the talker.
Okay, so I'm in Marbleton Group of School right now, and I came here to come and see the school where they posted me to, and here the principal is here abusing me, insulting me. He opened my bag down and carried my letter for what? He even beat me up for what? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? And this is all the school, all the staff supporting him. What did I do?
This matter so now mistress girlfriend the lover for outside. Mistress beat her married lover with hot oil over alleged rape in Abuja. The girl bath am with oil. According to the story, the story not be small story, you. Not be small story. The girl bath am with oil, better one. Can I not these things? So I don't always like them. All these men say their wife not reach them. Their wife no, they say their wife not get character. Na their side chick na get character. Na the one with the outside na get the main character. Na there be this one so. Now this kind of thing they happen to. And as they pray, something go they happen to the. All this one say the one where they put for us say e no get character, no good for the night. The one wey their mouth their pap put for outside for the night get character. Now this kind thing go dey happen to them. Oil go dey pour for their body. Their girlfriend go dey pour total and oil for their body. No be their wife will do am. Because this kind of man, e easy for a wife to even kill am for things. But why not kill am? Na God na punish am so. The girl say the man go dey rape am, Imagine the girl say the man go dey rape am, and he dey stay house. He say the man dey drug am. According to the story when the girl talk, when police don arrest am, he say the man he dey drug am, still go give am injection. He give am this one, go drug am, first go dey sleep with am. He dey not gree, the man go rape am. So he come let the man go baff. As the man go baff, come back finish, come so we dodge, go fry oil, go fry the oil. As the man just dey come out for bedroom, na he do am vim. I know why they would they beat the girl sef. Cause you ain't get wife for us, Abuja manager. What you go do with side chick? We not go business when you go for banker. Na even banker, na banker. The man na banker. See, and this is a fully so. Na banker. You leave wife for us. Na you side chick when you for Abuja. Na you dey follow. You don't go even imagine and say. Now because of this side chick when they Abuja, so now we can see me they transfer and away for the work come Abuja. This thing happened so on the 27th Tuesday. Never take for you, 27 for you. That happen for Game Village for Abuja. That for happen. The banker so, his wife and kids, they live for Lagos. Now Lagos they stay. He come dey Abuja with the mistress for a while. Don't deal with the mistress for a while now for Abuja so, and he leave his wife and kids for Lagos. My wife will say now, my husband don't go work. You know say he can't stay with the mistress for us. Now your wife will dey pick call and not go even pick. As the man won't go work, now he go prepare oil. The man dey baff, he won't go work with that money. Now go prepare oil. Come pour am for a body. You come pour am for a body. Now they come ask him, why you pour am? Oh yeah, he say the man they always rape anytime when we say you go visit him. The man they always rape anytime when you go visit him. Then make am pour that. You come visit man. You say they rape you. How? Like say the man carry your leg for house come. That this guy so he get sense. I even see good for them. The guy get sense so. You walk out with your two legs come my house. You say the man they rape you. How is that possible? The guy say the man they rape anytime when we say he come in house, he go the rape am. If you not agree, the man bring go tie drugs, he go take sleep with him. So now make him he pour on the oil for body. So the get on the vex, the anger come the angry now. Come pour on oil for the comment section. We'll go to the next news. This someone I see so is very painful. It's painful. Alleged being denied access to his phone at a bank in PH, Rivers State. He go back, they don't give him money. They don't give him, they deny your money. You had money. Me to go treat the brother for all. The brother they see when they carry brother go hospital, they don't give him. Nine brother take for it, don't come there. But this brother so rest in peace. I know what's in there. I wish Nigeria ever see get good hospital. The boy for not still die. Because he go first carry the boy go hospital. They go collect everything for him. They go the street the boy will go the hospital, will go bank, he go collect money. Even though say the bank never see give him that money that day, at least the brother will sit there like the hospital don't treat him. Later we can't go pay. Before the brother for not die. People were not supposed to die for Nigeria. They just die, especially youth. Now you just die. But they don't want to make the youth progress. But I don't know for that country. See the young boy, and I bet your husband I die. So later they'll say woman plenty. I bet your husband I die so. Young boy I die so. Just because say money, they not give him because he not see money. God have mercy. May this boy so rest in peace. Someone I watch the video, someone where the girl for the lament, for the cry. It was touching. When I watch the video, someone leave on a comment for the comment section. But when I think about Nigeria zoo,
My brother came on Friday. On Friday. He saw that he was sick, very, very down. He came to gain access to his father's account. In order to take him to the clinic, they asked him to come with him. When they come and see him, so that they will take him to, they refuse. Now the man is there.
Outside. Enter inside the door close. Enter inside. Enter inside.
Oh, Jesus. It's very
sorry, sorry.
This boy has been hurting too much.
Sorry.
I was there. Sorry. It's very lovely. Very bad.
FCMB.
With much money when they carry it.
Just like the taxi. That's the taxi. Yes, but they refuse to access his money.
With much money.
Mother, we can only be down and maybe after they know that the man will need it.
Try.
Just to come and capture the man fingerprint and give the man his money. Very simple.
Oh, this is really painful. Oh, sorry, stand up. Sorry.
Look at them. You have figured them. Look at them inside the box. Look at them.
Now here for end my video for today. See you for my next video. If you never subscribe to this channel, please try and make you subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, God bless you and thanks for watching. Please share this my video, like and comment. Please support me. I tell you, I want to support me too. I want to subscribe for my channel. For my old subscriber, I thank all of you. I want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you all. Bye bye. Ciao. See you for my next video. Wow. Peace out.